Greetings to viewers. This is Sindab Media. Just to remind you that this is the case of the 22 arrested protesters at Pira, who were remanded at Mile 2 and then subsequently released on bail. Today the case proceeds today, the 11th September 2025, and then it has been adjourned again. And the inside the courtroom, the state brought in prosecution witness number 1, who started the who has been interrogated by the one of the councils of the protesters, one of the councils of the protesters, the senior counsel Lamin J. Dabo, and finally the case has been adjourned to 2nd October 2025, and let's see whether we're going to have a few words from the people who came here to show in their solidarity. So maringol ka fale dronko kitio me alonko fonni ke mwanne fulode ba kono non miltara non pira katela ni ko ayitandi ko manto ala kilo ba kan foynati arrest ke samba bunjawoto non ngo kola inata na release ke bula bella bi wala la kitio tententa jang atenyin kan fin kiti bon mbi jay ka fa kan fi magistrate court kiti tela nyatile mo le ka fu magistrate Thomas Touré ren kitio bi don kitio damata na menna wala ko men bankola mul police woli sero nati min kata police oti pour kana cdr ke wala min yalon ko wala kalamuta ani wo kola bera pareta fanan ye mul min tu minu ila lawyer la nyaton ko min kata Lamin J. Daboti anatana ka damtaro ke nyinin karola adin jabirola mi yalon ko wala tambita tel fulol tema ateni police wala witness o tema nyin tembola case nyin adanta hodulale to fulo nyin tembola ya ajon le ka sawne kata October karo atele fulanyan kan 2025 sankono bitu mba jubela don fombe kuma kan danta sotonola mol bulu jannewa min yalon ko ise kex can you just brief about I understand is prosecution witness number 1 who was testifying, and then from there the case has been adjourned. So you can just say, so guys,
all of this
put it in your pocket. Right, Kex. So isake mbenyi nkalo ronke mese ngaje bota kono to le kitio nying aferenti ya sawunde bari silang pour juber lal ise melbe sirin sol ko nan dula ko tengol pour ka foye bi muneketa kiti bon kono to bi.
Baraka Baga, first of all, actually, Menkara Kidi Bongo, 23 people made a charge, on one count of unlawful assembly under the Public Order Act Section 5. They all left in the Kidi Bonga and Masakunda La Mol Keramol Melancoela, said the four of the Kafomeko, Inspector Alasana Iba. Well, I think that before the court, Kafa introduced his PIU officer, is an inspector, attached at the PIU office in Banjul, in Carnifing, but he's a resident of Banjul. So, according to him, he got an information from his commander, SAR, that is Superintendent SAR, that there were people that were legally or illegally gathered at Pira, and he's given order to go and dispatch them. So then they bought their vehicle, and upon arrival at Pira building, they found young boys that were gathered with placards, written, and they were chanting, So when he arrived, then SAR alighted from the vehicle and approached them that they were illegally occupying that place, or they are lawful assembled. And they responded that they were lawful assembled, and that was the push and pull, and he gave them order to arrest them, and they were arrested. So they were taken to Kairaba police station, and he said upon arrival, they hand over to the station officer, and he made a statement. So during cross-examination with Lamin J. Dabo wanted him to understand whether he understands what is the role of it. Public Utility Authority, that's Pira. He said he didn't have a better understanding of Pira, but what he understands, they are utility regulators. He asked him whether he knows the understanding what is a Public Order Act and what does the Public Order Act says. He said he didn't have an understanding of the Public Order Act, and the prosecution objected that that's a legal question and the witness cannot answer legal questions. And that was overruled by the presiding magistrate, Mr. Tomasi. And he was asked whether, when they arrived, they asked the boys whether they have obtained a permit. He said no, they didn't ask, but they told them they were lawfully occupying that place. And the question then went further to say that whether he find out whether they have a legal document or what were the purpose of them being at that place. He said he didn't find out. He was an officer who was given an order and he was just there to execute his order. So that was the question that they have. But due to time, the matter was adjourned. But Council Lamin Jedabo, who is representing the accused party, has requested for all the evidence that the prosecution will intend to rely on, to be given to the prosecution as requirement by law, that any document that the prosecution will rely on must be served to the other party so that they prepare themselves. And this order was granted by the presiding magistrate, Mr. Ture, that prosecution should supply them all the documents that they intended to rely on. The matter is adjourned to the 2nd of October for continuation of cross-examination of the witness.
Yo, briefly, safoni mandinga kangola doron kadru mo jamale fana be jubero la tumando milma angale kango.
Ka fo yere ko kitio me alan ko nal hakilo bagam fandi kol men findita no ita no pura la building do ke la campaya da yantandi me alan ko wala gara pura ni price flow ni me alan ko ya ye dabula ko no GSM company be nyosa bagam baga sol tada fo credit call tada fo jita fandi kol findita no kata pour ka pura petition ka be findita no police ole mo so police ole ole nan kitio la so la cede follow le findini kiti bu nyala e ka fo me alasana iba me alan ko PIU official ma attach at the Kanifing, the resident of Banjul wala findita kiti bu nyata no pour ka la cede jarodi in the side of the prosecution pour ka ndani ko te melon ko nyindo kabi anyen ka pour ya to fa ka de to mo alasana bale de PIU official ma de ala ranko mo inspector le me alan ko abe Kanifing PIU office le akodum wolungo on the 22nd of September August ade kibaro so dala boss buli ka ko me ko bisar me alan ko superintendent ka ndandala ko fondin ke wolle findira me alan ko be pura la building do andu be je men they are lawfully assembled pour ay daji ay yanjande ay bondi wot la nyindo ako dena defana la men sol kafu nyoga wala la fondin ke wol me alan ko be do ko la de ko bayra de mo inspector le bula ta fiko ko ne dara pura la building do fondin ke wol traje me alan ko kaytol be bula be safari bala safero la bara ko safero nya demalo men be safari ngo bala ako kabe futata je sar jida moto kono wala nya ndandila ko de sirin damen to wonde be lorin damen to je they are illegal loi man sembo di la pour être trawo so ni wato kono nyanda ka bo dula nyindo ako kabe sari o fo sinya fula modol bi je wol ya jadi ka ndandala ko loi assemble de via lawfully assemble ka ndandila ko tel bi janne loi la silola so nyo saba sar nata order di pour yetel arrest dena ta fanana la boysol jida wala nya moto kono ni fondin ki wol mo de be arrest ye samba kayra ba police station kabe ay samba kayra ba police station ta kara mo do melan kala statement odi a police wala je melan ko station official den ni karo ni jabiro nata ni fondin ki wala lawyer de melan ko la min jeda wala be timo ni lit kamba lawyer jamal bi de kamunta jonkon jobade kandidat ke jallo nyol fokata Mr. Council Martin nyol fokata bondi nyol wol be mo lawyer da wal jeda bole alit waya nyen ka follow ato moment ya to fay ka ndandala te mo alasana i baleti ay ndandala be do ko la monto la ndandala ko PIU official mati so ana ra nyen ka nyen na fana ko te mine kala muta wala kaba fuda nyen dula da fondin ko traje nyaade la ko kaba da fuda da fondin ko tra fla ka to le bebul so jeda bona ra nyen ka mine be safiro bala ka de man kayto nyen grid membe safiro bala be kayto o fla ka to be la police station o de jeda bona ra nyen ka nyen na ko foto ko kabe fuda da je fana e kada mo de me ala ko nyen ka me ki o la je akwade manke mo de me an ka nyen ka wala aka sa yalo nyaade la ko nyen de lawful assemble ako ate dala oda yole diala nan framala bosol pura ina nan ay ni mol bondi ni blado ko ndunga te nato oda ni execute akana taka woleke ana raya ndani fana jeda bana ranya nga fa yalo ne what is a lawful assembly ni nata no loi bu ko le ka ko me public order akade manke modi me an ka londo soro ka fa me na loi la karola bal prosecution ala mol nata wul ka ndani la correction ni mu luan mele loi la wala so correction ni kan so ko nata ka ke wala nyay na do correction ni overrule so ana ranya nga fa ka ba fu dara jay ni kisi le kalon fa ni fondin ko le kayto sodo le ba pour ka tra wala mena muy la dalilo de je baraka de mo kisi o dale diata la pour ay na ni janjande donc ka ba fu dara je yo o dañu yantandi la ko de a lawfully assemble nyanda ka janjanje le bal fondin ko man so wala na ate kada mo le mi anan ko ye arrest den kidio ni na lo na ta lo pour isa ajon ko la min jeda boni na nyinin karo ko kidi bun kon ko kaydo kaydi be tuntula ka ke sede jaro de kidi bu nyaati wala be fana sula do kaydo ni na pour isa di defense la bayre loi wala ko ni be kaydo kaydi tala pour ka ke sede jaro do kaydo nyanda ka defense fana bu de sa je si bam prepare ni ko na do dum sonta wala le ana ako pour isa di la bare na da fo pour IGP ni be printing kala ko kaydol be photocopy ko do nyi bona IGP la office for prosecution ko IGP man ko di solo institution o me ala ko di table so e ko mo ronde pour prosecution fa sa photocopy ni la ka kaydo kaydi photocopy la je has evidence court nata kito te ko the cost will be on the defense wala accused party no lebe photocopy ñol to la ni phone so nata kito ñin sound ko ñin kare kuto men kana duma ko to karo na telephone soto kito be continue même cross examination odi be ñin cede jarel jibero ñin karo be continue ni la min jeda ko
abaraka ba ke kex yeah thank you so much you all here so mbokay lila Kemisen Sane doon wax ku nekk kex fo naa ne ñu bari mun nañ koo dégga de ate bi fu mu ne nii dañ ko ajoon to 2nd October 2025 si la ñu continuer waat si prosecution witness examination boo xamante ne boobu lañ nekk di def prosecution witness bi
they may wish a trial to go on, but our advice to the prosecution and to the IGP, the police, is that let them try to make sure they drop the charges. All what we've seen in the court, we know that definitely nothing has been said which try to show any wrongdoing. But for now, we are just appealing to them to drop the charges. This may lead to something else. That's why the advice is that let them go and review their strategy. It's not about coming to court, bringing people in and out. What we are telling them is that let them try to drop the charges. So far now, we have another adjourned date. They have to furnish us with more details, more documents. Yes, we are in a trial, but let them also start thinking that if anything wrong was to be done in this case, they've done with these people who are out there doing something wrong, the public knows. But anyway, our final appeal is that let them drop the charges. That will be